This is sum number 1, chapter number 15.1. Chapter name is theorem related to tangent of a circle. Mousum has drawn a circle with center O of which AB is a chord. I draw a tangent at the point B which intersects extended AO at the point T. If angle BAT equal to 21 degree, let us write by calculating the values of BTA. So Mousum draws a circle with center O. This is the center O, and this is the circle. AB is the chord. AB is the chord. Draw a tangent at the point B. So here draw a tangent point B and intersects extended AO. First AO extended, and which intersects at the point T. Angle BAT, this angle is 21 degree. So we have to find angle BTA, this angle. So therefore we have to find angle BTA. Now in this triangle OAB, OA and OB both are equal. Why? Because both are radius. So therefore its opposite angles, these two are equal. If 21 degree this one and 21 degree this one also, I write that. So therefore in this triangle the remaining angle AOB equal to 180 degree minus sum of these two angles. So 180 degree minus 21 degree plus 21 degree equal to 180 degree minus 42 degree equal to 138 degree. So this angle is 138 degree. Now AT is a straight line, so therefore this total angle is 180 degree. So therefore this angle is 180 degree minus 38 degree, so equal to 42 degree. Now we consider this triangle OBT. This angle, we know this angle is 42 degree, and if 42 degree, and OB is the radius and BT is a tangent, so therefore radius always perpendicular on the tangent, write that. So therefore angle OBT, this angle is 90 degree. So the remaining angle BTO or BTA both are same. So therefore angle BTA equal to 180 degree minus sum of these two angles. So 180 degree minus 42 degree plus 98 degree. So the answer is 48 degree. This is sum number 3. I drew a circle having PR as a diameter. I drew a tangent at the point P, and a point S is taken on the tangent of the circle in such a way that PR equal to PS. If RS intersects the circle at the point T, let us prove that ST equal to RT equal to PT. So according to the question, this is a circle where PR is the diameter, and it's a tangent, and from tangent we take PS such as PS equal to PR. This is given in the question. If RS intersects the circle at the point T, so we have to prove that ST, this one, equal to RT, this one, equal to PT. These three sides are equal. We have to prove that. So now in this triangle PRS, these two sides are given. If these two sides are equal, so therefore the opposite angles, this one and its opposite angle, this one, these two are equal. I write that. We know PR is a diameter. If PR is a diameter, so therefore its radius, suppose this is the center, so this is radius. So radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. So therefore this angle is 90 degree. So if this angle is 90 degree and in this triangle PRS, opposite two angles both are equal due to equal of that sides. So therefore these two angles is equal to 45 degree plus 45 degree. So 45 degree plus 45 degree plus 90 degree, 180 degree. So here we find that these two angles, this angle is 45 degree, this angle is 45 degree. Now in this triangle we just know this angle is 45 degree. Now this angle is 90 degree. Why? Because angle of semicircle, this is diameter, so this angle is 90 degree. So if this is 90 degree and this is 45 degree, so the remaining angle, this should be 45 degree. So therefore in this triangle these two angles are equal. If these two angles are equal, opposite the sides, this one and this one, both are equal. So PT equal to TR, I just write that. So remaining part, first of all we know from the beginning PR is the diameter and PS is the tangent. So PR perpendicular to PS, so therefore this angle is 90 degree. So if this is 90 degree and this angle is 45 degree, previously I proved that, so the remaining angle is 45 degree. 90 degree minus 45 degree, 45 degree, and we know this angle is 45 degree. So angle PT, in angle PTS, this angle equal to this angle. So opposite sides, this opposite side this one and this opposite side this one, both are equal. So therefore from PST triangle or PTS triangle we can say that ST equal to PT. So this is first one and this is second one. So you know both in this equation this is common PT. So therefore we can write PT equal to TR equal to ST. So this is proved. Sum number 4. Two radius OA and OB of a circle with center O are perpendicular to each other. If two tangents drawn at the point A and B intersect each other at the point T, let us prove that AB equal to OT and they bisect each other at a right angle. So now this is the diagram for the sum number 4. Two radius, first of all O is the center, OA is the radius we know, and OB is the radius we know from the question, and both are perpendicular to each other. So both are perpendicular to each other, therefore angle AOB equal to 90 degree. From the question we have to find that if these are tangents and both tangents, we draw tangents at point A and draw a tangents at point B, both are intersect at the point T, we have to prove that this quadrilateral or OATB is a square, and we have to prove that these diagonals or AB equal to OT both are equal in distance or equal in length, and they are bisect at 90 degree. So first of all we have to prove that this is a 90, this is all the angles of this quadrilateral 90 degree, so therefore this is a square. So in the question given that OA perpendicular to OB, so therefore this angle is 90 degree, write that. Now OA is a radius and AT is a tangent and OB is a radius and BT is a tangent, so therefore radius is always perpendicular to tangent, so therefore OA perpendicular to AT and OB perpendicular to BT, I write that. So if OA perpendicular to AT, therefore this angle OAT equal to 90 degree, and if OB perpendicular to BT, this angle is also 90 degree. So these two angles also 90 degree. So the remaining angle here is angle ATB or angle BTA, both are same. We know this is an quadrilateral because there are four sides, this one, this one, this one and this one. So if four sides are given and this is in quadrilateral, so therefore sum of the four angles are 360 degree. So we know these three angles, this is 90, this is 90 and this is 90. So the remaining angle should be 360 degree minus 90 plus 90 plus 90. So the angle is 90 degree. So we find that this angle is also 90 degree. So therefore this quadrilateral, all the angles of this quadrilateral are 90 degree. So therefore this is a square. We know from the class 9, if a square exists, all the sides are equal and diagonals, both these diagonals are equal. So therefore diagonal AB and OT are equal. AB equal to OT. We proved that. And from the theorem in class 9, we also know if a square exists and square exists, therefore the diagonals, both lengths are equal and both bisect each other at 90 degree. So therefore AB and OT bisect each other at 90 degree. Proved.